In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can increase the speed of the turtle, which will result in the animations going faster. That way you don't have to wait too long. Now here in this code that I have shown here is where I built a little rocket. I'm going to go ahead and click run. And let's just say I'm wrapping it up and I want to make sure everything is just right. Well, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. And it takes a while the more complicated your drawings get. And so finally it stopped and I say, okay, it's perfect. But you can actually make it go faster. That way you don't have to wait too long. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to use a function called speed. Now, what you want to do is you want to use this function after you name your turtle. So here in this line 6 is where I name my turtle Lemus. And so underneath it, I'm going to go ahead and use the code, call my turtle Lemus. Again, you can use your whatever turtle's name is yours. And you're going to use the function speed. And you're going to put an integer. Actually, you can actually use negative values, I found out recently. And I'm going to change it to, let's say, 30. And then you put it inside the parentheses. I'm sorry if I didn't say that. And then you're going to click run. And you'll see it goes much, much faster. And that way you don't have to wait. Now, what if I changed it to, let's say, 1? What do you think is going to happen? Well, let's go ahead and click 1. And you see the turtle is moving slowly. Slowly. And slowly. So obviously you don't want that. Let me go ahead and hit stop. Now, what happens if you leave it blank? Well, let's run it. If you leave it blank, it actually, I believe it goes the maximum speed if you leave it blank. Now, I have kids that tried, oh, let me put 1,000 or let's put 1,000,000 or whatever number that is. And it seems to go just as fast. Let me try another one. I think it has a maximum speed. Truthfully, I'm not sure. From what I understanding is in real Python, the limit is from 0 to 10. But let's try 10. Let's see if that's the same maximum speed. Actually, no, there's higher. But that's what you can do to change the speed of the turtle so you can increase it. There's 100. Now, what if I put a negative value? Well, I tried that out just playing around because I thought, hey, it wouldn't work. But check it out. It's the same speed as a positive 100. Change it back to positive and negative. Again, let me turn off this code by making it into a comment. There's the regular speed. And here is increasing the turtle speed. That way you don't have to wait too long. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me.